Today we're going to tour the Concierge Lounge here on the Disney Wish. When you first go into the lounge here, you do have that key card access. You got to have the gold key to get in. So you just tap your card and they'll open up for you there. Coming into the lounge over on the right, you'll see this little showcase of merchandise, some selections of things they have down in the shops. They actually have just launched some brand new concierge exclusive merchandise here on the Disney Wish. There's a Nike Dry Fit cap as well as a limited release pin, and you can only get those if you do have that gold card staying concierge level here. As we head into the area with all the food and drinks, we do have a hand washing station over here. And then we first have our coffee station. This is an espresso-based machine, so you can do all kinds of espresso drinks. You also have chocolate there, so you can do things like mochas. We've got some syrups and sugars. We also have a really nice selection of teas inside the box here, so if you're a tea drinker, you've got options there. And then we have an entire cooler stocked with different kinds of drinks, of course, all included with concierge access here. You've got Coke products, sparkling water, juices, milk, and you also have Evian water, and that's in the cooler across the way. We'll see in just a minute. You can see they have different little snacks and hors d'oeuvres and treats here in the case. They're actually currently stocking that. Those are out for every meal time throughout the day, and there is always a cast member here to assist you with getting that food. They also have an a la carte menu that you can order from during meal times. There's some great options on there you should definitely check out as well. We have another coffee station over here and that second cooler where you'll find some of that Evian water. And then coming into the main part of the lounge here, you can see the stairs over on the left. We're going to come back to those from the top. We're going to take the long way around to show you deck 13 here in the lounge. We have the desk here where the concierge will be able to help you at any point during the hours of the lounge. They can help you with pretty much anything you need on the ship. There's a lot of seating here in the lounge, a lot of tables, a lot of coffee tables, couches, chairs. Lots and lots of room to spread out, which is good because there are a lot of concierge rooms on the Disney Wish. We love the ambiance in here, the lighting, especially those circle chandeliers up there. I'm a big fan of those. We have a little TV area over here in the corner with some small chairs. That's a great area for the kids to be able to sit and watch TV if they'd like. Again, lots of space for everyone here in the lounge. We do have a full bar in the lounge as well. And after 5 p.m., you can get beer, wine, and spirits. They can make pretty much any kind of cocktail you would like. And that is, of course, all included with your concierge access. We have a third coffee machine over here, just like the ones up front, but this one does not have chocolate. So if you're looking for a mocha or a hot chocolate, you just got to get that over there in the main food and drink area. Let's walk out onto the outside deck and then up to deck 13 and check that out as well. So you can see we're here at the very forward area of the ship, which means we have an amazing view, especially when we're out at sea, looking right down as we're sailing along. Now in this case, we are pulling into port, so we're very, very slowly moving. They're actually backing us into our space right now. We've got lots of seating out here as well with the lamps out here, the tables. They can also have servers come out here to bring you drinks or food or whatever you may need. And it's got a little bit of shelter too. You can see the overhang there, which is great if it's just a little bit sunny, especially like later in the day. If you're going the right direction, that really helps shade you sitting on those couches. There are a set of stairs over here you can take up to deck 13, in addition to the ones that I showed you in the lounge just a minute ago. So we'll head up there and show you everything up here. So you can see when we come up here, we've got our own hot tub. We actually have 2 of them, we'll see in just a minute. And we have showers on each end of the hot tubs as well. We've got lots of seating all the way around up here. Those kind of saucer-shaped chairs that are really comfortable. We have regular traditional lounge chairs. We also have, couches and regular chairs too. One thing that's really cool is you do have complimentary sunscreen available. You have regular copper tone, you have baby copper tone, and then you also have some Evian facial spray that they'll bring out if you'd like that. This deck does go all the way across, so you have a lot of areas to sit and relax out here. You can see most of it is covered as well, which is very, very nice. There is kind of a pool, I'd say like a wading pool as well, but it has that bench on there with the water feature, so you're kind of sitting in the water with your feet about ankle deep in the water. A nice place to sit and relax, especially with the beautiful view looking forward on the ship as you're sailing along. It's a great spot to just sit and enjoy a peaceful moment or two. You can see again, there's lots of seating all the way around. And then this white wall in front of us, that's actually a door over there that connects to the 2-story Royal Suite, which is right here next to this deck. And if you want to see a tour of that suite, I highly recommend checking out the link in the description below. We did a video of it, and that suite is absolutely stunning. There's a little more seating over here, and there's also a bar over here. They do have this slushy machine where they will put throughout the day different types of smoothies, like raspberry smoothies or Dole Whip smoothies, which I highly recommend. And whenever they do have the bar open from to close, they do have a bartender up here for you as well. We do also have a cooler of drinks up here, so you don't have to go all the way down to the lounge to get those drinks. They've got the same sodas and waters and juices in there for you. As we head back inside here on deck 13, we do have bathrooms available to concierge guests in the lounge. We've got 2 over here, one that is accessible and one that is not accessible over there. And then this door just takes you out onto the main deck of 13 where some of the concierge rooms are located. We've got some beautiful artwork here on the wall I did want to stop and take a look at. It's this kind of 3D paper art. Reminds me of the artist Karen Aruda, who does some Disney fine art. I'm not sure if this is one of her pieces, but I really like this and I love this style. We'll head back down the stairs here into the lounge. If you'd like to see any of the staterooms here on the Disney Wish or any of the other areas on the Wish, we've got lots of tours on our channel. Links for those are all in the description. You can check those out. And that's going to conclude our tour of the Concierge Lounge here on the Disney Wish.